Hey folks, Robbie here. Here's another project I'm working on, 76 Chevy Caprice Prostreet. It's gonna, using parts from the 67 Chevelle Prostreet, building up the motor. Of course, it won't sit up that far, but just kind of a mock-up. I will clear the purple once I get it all done, and they'll have purple seats, purple dash. So I kind of wanted to show you this Prostreet project that I'm working on. And then hang on, I got another project I want to show you. And this is my rat rod rig that I'm working on. I'm doing some more detailing on it. Got a dash glue that'll be half a dash. Got the seats in there. So doing some more work and made the running rear boards kind of rusty. It'll have a bike in the back that'll match it. Wood floor. Hope you can see it okay. These are the two projects that I got going, and this one's getting there. The stacks will get rusted. I'll cut it down a tiny bit, but it'll go back there. But anyway, I want to say thanks to my subscribers, and thanks for checking out my videos. I really do appreciate it. And I will keep you updated, but this is what's going on right now. This is Robbie saying thanks for checking it out.